Today, we're riding with James for a pipe replacement. Welcome to Ride with Waddles.
Hi, my name is James, and I'm a plumber here at Penguin, and today we're doing a pipe replacement due to a pinhole leak. After taking some pictures, I inspected the situation and started cutting the pipes. I used a pipe cutter to remove the half-inch copper line, and I used a sawzall for the other pipes. After assessing the situation, I started replacing the damaged copper lines. After cutting the half-inch copper line, I reamed all my pipes in use, cleaning all edges with sandcloth, and used flux to solder all fittings. Here's the finished product. Now it's time to install. The rust-proof and corrosion-resistant properties of copper allow water pipes made of this metal to withstand countless years of use. First, I measure and cut to ensure the perfect fit and proceed to put it all back together. I'm using this no-hub to connect the 2-inch drain line I had to cut and remove to have access to the copper pipes. And just like that, we're done.
Need a plumber or pipe inspection? Call Penguin at 480-747-6800 or visit our website to book now.